Have you ever searched for something but found nothing? We all know that just about any search in a search engine will find thousands and even millions of results. But what do you do when none of these 676,000 results are what you need? The smart researcher knows that spending just a few minutes to develop a search strategy will save you a lot of time in the long run. With some advanced planning, your searches will be more effective, leading you to more relevant sources in less time. The secret is your search terms. Start with your thesis statement or research question. Then identify the key terms or phrases of your statement or question. These will usually be your nouns, but can sometimes be important verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. For each of these key terms, you will need to brainstorm additional search terms. Make a list of all synonyms, similar terms, and related terms you can think of. This will be harder for some terms, such as proper names, but the creative mind can think of something for almost any term. For some terms, it can also be helpful to consult a thesaurus, dictionary, or encyclopedia. You can even refer to sources that are otherwise forbidden. It's okay, I won't tell anybody. Go ahead and list every term you can think of. List at least 3 terms or phrases for each concept. The more terms you list now, the better your search will be. As you're researching your topic, you will come across more search terms. Don't forget to add these to your list. Once you have a good list of search terms, you are ready to build a search phrase. You will most likely start with the key concepts that you listed at the top of each column. For this search, my first 2 key concepts are actually proper names. Because these are proper names, use quotation marks. This lets the database know that the words between quotation marks must appear in this order. This will eliminate any results that happen to have the terms fall, house, and usher, but never mention the fall of the house of Usher. My third concept is an idea, and I will need to expand it. You might have noticed that I did not write out the complete word feminist. Instead, I wrote the first 5 letters and added an asterisk. This is called truncation. The asterisk tells the database to search for every word starting with these letters, such as feminist, feminism, feminine, and so on. Thanks to truncation, I only need to include a feminine word one time. For now, I will only select 2 additional terms from this column. I try to pick the 2 that I think will be the most useful. I will now add my Boolean operators. The Boolean operators we will use are and or. And will narrow our search by finding only documents that include all terms. Or will broaden our search by finding any of the terms listed. Use or between terms that came from the same column because it will broaden your search by including any of these terms. Also use parentheses so that the database knows this is a single concept. Use and between concepts. This will narrow your search by only finding resources that include all of these search terms. You will now have a search phrase that you can use in many search tools, including search engines like Google and library databases such as Academic Search Complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget that your reference librarians are very happy to help you and that we like research. You can reach a librarian by calling or visiting the Richland College Library Reference Desk during business hours or by email. Our number is 972-238-6082, and you can email us at richlandlibrary@dccd.edu. Access all of our online resources at www.richlandcollege.edu/library.